We get regular emails from people with questions, and we always try and assist them as best we can. And you were telling me about a situation where a man and a woman are having a custody dispute over their pet dog.
Yep.
Tell us about that.
So it's a non-married couple. They haven't been married, and the male, he bought the dog while they were together 14 years ago. They were together as a couple for 7 years. They split, and then for the last 7 years, they have been doing 1 month on, 1 month off, exchanging male to female, female to male, and back. And that's how it was. But the male has been paying. Well, he bought the dog. He did the licensing of it. And he's paid over $9,000 in vet bills. And all of a sudden, after Christmas, his ex-girlfriend gets the dog back, and he never heard from her again. She won't answer his call. She won't answer emails. She's blocked him, blocked all of his friends from getting in touch with him. And he loves this dog, and he's petrified that he's never going to see this dog again.
So for 7 years, they've been alternating months, and after Christmas, she gets a dog, but she's completely out of contact with him now.
Yes.
And, just from a legal perspective, well, the fact that he bought the dog license is his name, he's been paying the medical bills, you would think that that would count for a lot if push came to shove.
You would think, and then you would think, custom and usage, kind of.
Yeah.
Because they've built a quote-unquote pseudo-parenting plan. Because, unfortunately, in Florida, dogs are just considered property. It's not the same standard as a person. So we actually, it's just not our law firm, but we know a lot of other attorneys that do something that we don't do.
Well, I want to say that over the years, people often will have some kind of issue, concern, dispute with somebody, whether it's a friend, neighbor, family member, and they'll go, well, can I call the police? And we go, yeah, you can call the police, but they're not going to help you. They're going to tell you that this is a civil matter. So if this gentleman called you and says, I'm going to call the police, you can say, fine, but the police are probably not going to help you. So you found a lawyer here in the state of Florida that has expertise and deals with animal custody dispute problems.
Pet disputes.
Pet dispute.
Yeah. It's an attorney out of St. Pete. I'll give her a shout out. Her name is April Goodwin, and she really specializes in pets. And I guess most people don't have a pet parenting plan, so to speak, but it is for the people that love their pets and they don't get to see their pets. She's a good a solution that can maybe help you get your pet back. And he was going over the invoice, not the invoice form, but the initial form that was sent out to him, like a questionnaire, and it's pretty detailed. Like, what remedy do you want? Do you want the dog back? Do you want to be reimbursed for medical expenses? And it goes on and on and on. And from there, she'll run with what she thinks the best solution will be.
We have the LexisNexis research system in our office. Be interesting to explore that issue and see what kind of case law there is out there on pet custody cases.
Yeah, it would.
So I find that really quite fascinating, and it's interesting that somebody is that specialized in a particular area of law. One thing we should say about pets, dogs, cats, you name it, is that under Florida law, they are designated as personal property. They're no different than a couch as far as their legal status is concerned.
That's sad.
Yeah. So, folks, if you've got a legal question, we'd love to hear from you right now. Robert?